All right, don't mind me. No, I did not get beat up. Got a little scratch and then some breathe right strips. Open up the nasal passages today, a little congested. But what I want to talk to you about today is how to maybe find a provider who does similar things that I do. The interventional regenerative medicine, interventional orthobiologics, whatever term we're going to give this. But essentially the process of injecting orthobiologics, platelet-rich plasma, prolotherapy, things like that, into areas to help with pain, musculoskeletal dysfunction, and things like that. So I understand that not everybody can travel out to gorgeous Arizona here to work with me due to whatever constraints that may be, and that is 100% okay, because my ultimate goal here is to really try and help expose people to different ways that they can improve their chronic pain, maybe even resolve it, and that might be helping you to find a local provider. We generally don't make recommendations for providers just because there's not a ton of people out there that I personally know and would personally recommend, and so we just kind of stay out of all that. So the point of this is to give you a framework for how you might think about this. So if you vibe with my content, then what you want to try to look for is somebody who is similar to me in thought process. Now, if you don't really vibe with my content, you just like it because you want to learn more about interventional orthobiologics, great. You can do a Google search for platelet-rich plasma injections or prolotherapy injections or perineural injections, nerve hydrodissection, and look in your local area and see the people who talk about it on their website. If you want to go that one step further, you're going to want to do a little audit on the people that you're looking into. So you want to check out their social media if they have one. A lot of places won't. You're going to want to look at testimonials. You're going to want to go through their website entirely. You really want to try and figure out, does this person vibe with you in the way that we are vibing? Okay, if you enjoy and appreciate what I talk about, which is that you are responsible for a lot of your healing, even when somebody like me does an interventional procedure like an injection, then you want to try to find somebody who also has that philosophy. If you enjoy that I place a huge emphasis on the physical exam and not just injecting based off treatment, then you want to find somebody who also has that mentality. One of the things that you could do that other people have told us that they've done, and I think it's a brilliant idea, is you could always call a clinic and you could ask them, oh, I've got this structural finding, I've got disc degeneration, what would the doctor do for this, or things of that nature, right? You could try to tease out from either them or their staff, are they primarily going to treat you based off imaging, or are they going to actually do a thorough physical exam to try and figure out what tissues are contributing to your pain. If the provider has a free 15-minute call for you to see if you're a good fit, or if you're a candidate to work with them, then that's something you might want to do to feel them out, to see, ask them the questions like, okay, talk to me about your physical exam. Oh, do I need imaging for this? Or, do you use image guidance for your procedures? How many of these injections might I need? Do I have to buy a package? How frequently do I have to see you? What's our follow-up like? Any adjunctive care? Do we discuss any supplements, medications, nutritional changes, lifestyle support, anything like that? Also, ask them about that. So those are the things that you want to look into. If I vibe with you and you like my content, but you cannot come out to see me, you need to audit and ask, what are the things that I like about how Dr. T approaches pain? And then you want to try to find somebody similar in your area. There are lots of people out there who do amazing work in this space. There are lots of people out there who don't do amazing work in this space. And that's a harsh reality. In every profession, you're going to have that. There is somebody out there who is the absolute best plumber in America. The person probably doesn't know it. Maybe they do. I don't know. There's also somebody out there who is the absolute worst plumber. That's just the way it is, right? If you have a group of people, somebody's going to be at the top, somebody's going to be at the bottom, and then everybody's in between. You want to try to find somebody that you vibe with. You want to try and find somebody who's hopefully in at least the upper 50%. And the only way you're going to know that is if you look into them, you audit them, you evaluate, you see if it's a good fit for you. Good luck.